welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to run a Python file on a Windows computer. Let's get started. First, head over to the folder where you saved your Python file. For me, it's in the Pictures folder, and my file is named hello.py. If you try to double-click it, the program might open and close immediately in a command prompt. To avoid that, we'll use a better approach by running it through the command prompt. Here's a quick trick: go to the folder's navigation bar, click on it, and type cmd. Press enter, and this will open command prompt directly in the folder where your Python file is saved. Before running the file, ensure Python is installed on your system. To do this, type Python version and hit enter. If you see a Python version number, you're good to go. Otherwise, you'll need to install Python first. You can easily download it from Microsoft Store. Now, to run the Python file, type python hello.py and hit enter. This will execute the Python program, and you'll see the output in the command prompt. For this example, the output says, "Hello world." That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.